Looking for the ding-dong bird. Our adorable koala friends are ready to start an amazing adventure in Dibble World. Tyler and baby Lee are the first to arrive at school. Sleepy Cabbage is always the last to arrive. Down the merry gate slide and into Dibble World we go. Today, the children will look for treasures in Dibble Jungle. Do you see Tyler, Poppy, Izzy, Cabbage, Baby Lee, and Boo? Cabbage finds a yellow unicorn beetle. Tyler finds a red and black spider. Poppy finds an orange flower. Izzy finds a tree with purple fruit. Boo finds an eggshell with red, blue, and yellow spots. It must belong to a ding-dong bird. The children see bird footprints. They find a feather with red, blue, and yellow spots. The children follow the footprints to a pond. Are you a ding-dong bird? No, I am a duck. Are you a ding-dong bird? No, I am a bee. Are you a ding-dong bird? No, I am a spotted butterfly. Are you a ding-dong bird? No, I am a peacock. Look at its beautiful tail and colorful feathers. The children follow the footprints to a big tree. They hear a pretty melody. Tyler climbs up the tree to find the ding-dong bird. There it is! Shouts Tyler with excitement. Oh no! The bird is startled and flies away. Where has the ding-dong bird gone? It will come back if you sing the ding-dong song. It goes like this. Do you see the ding-dong bird, the ding-dong bird, the ding-dong bird? Do you see the ding-dong bird here in the jungle? Look, here comes the ding-dong bird, the ding-dong bird, the ding-dong bird. Look, here comes the ding-dong bird. It likes our song. Look, the ding-dong bird has come back to sing with the children. Time to go home in the big hot air balloon. Remember, if you can't find something, just follow the clues and don't give up.